You didn't break me, you just showed me who the fuck you really were. And trust me, once I saw it, I stopped romanticizing every lie you ever told. You weren't my peace. You were my fucking chaos, dressed in sweet words and empty promises. I was ready to give you a forever, and you couldn't even handle the fucking present. You fumbled someone real, someone loyal, someone who actually gave a damn. But now, I don't crave your presence. I celebrate your absence. You know what hurts the most? I begged the universe for you. I prayed for us. And now I thank it every fucking day that it fell apart. You were a test, not a blessing. And I finally stopped failing. You were never too busy, you were just too coward to be honest. You didn't lose me by accident, you threw me away, and now you're stuck watching me glow the fuck up while you drown in your own regrets. Call it revenge, call it healing, either way I'm done bleeding for someone who never deserved a drop. I didn't move on to hurt you. I moved on to finally fucking love myself. And damn, it feels good to be unreachable to the one who once had it all.